That's right. This is Flames Radio. This is the Upnlive show brought to you all courtesy of Shush Printing, all courtesy of Vast Printing. Each and every Wednesday, right here in Flames Radio is the place to be. And we have a very, very special guest inside the studio this evening with us, all the way from Jamaica. The former, I shouldn't say former, he is still one of the reigning king of ska and reggae music. The late, great Mr. Alton Ellis. His son is here this evening with us. Christopher Ellis, welcome to the Upnlive show.
Bless me, man.
What are you doing in England? What are you doing in England?
Bro, hey, what now?
Yeah.
You know, so I live in England. Though.
You live in England?
Yeah, but enough people don't know that.
I thought you were from you live in Jamaica,
no,
bro.
I'm born in England, live in England, but true, like, since I started working with Gangnam,
Yeah.
always in Jamaica and Miami, in between Miami and Jamaica.
Okay.
Because the Marlies live in Miami, you know?
Okay. Yeah,
So-
I know the Mars live in Miami.
Yeah, so that's where I'm most of the time. Sure, I'm doing my album and everything, and shows and all of the thing, but sure, I'm hardly here.
Yeah.
People think that I'm not from here.
Yeah, but I can hear the accent, the English
Yeah.
accent. You know,
Yeah.
the English accent, you just can't hide.
Yeah, really.
So
Yeah,
what's
man.
good though? What's good for you in the music? Because you're obviously your name has history in the music, and you now as a son of the protege of ska music, how do you find yourself fitting in? People expect you to be the same as your father, or
I mean, slightly, yeah, you know, sometimes they kind of, you know, like my father's thing is so powerful where you can't escape that. So
yeah,
it doesn't matter what I do or how, you know, I could have 10 big songs tomorrow.
yeah, but you still,
It's always Alton Ellis song.
Yeah.
You understand? which is, but it's nice for me.
it's good though.
And especially like how he's passed away, I like it.
Yeah,
You understand? If he was, I think if he was here in the flesh, I'll try and escape it.
yeah.
But true, he's not here to represent himself in
You
the
have to
physical
accept
form.
it.
Yeah, you understand? So anytime I step on stage, I'm like, Alton Ellis son, Christopher Ellis. You get me? And I take it on and I run with that. So it's cool.
You hear you talk and when you sound with your natural British accent. When you sing, you don't sound like that. Though. You sound Jamaican. So.
You think so?
Yeah, you sound because the record that you were just playing just now. Is that the new record, right?
Yeah, it's the new song produced by Stephen Marley. It's called Here We Are. It's doing well right now. So
Yeah, that record. You sound like as if you're a full-fledged. I'm not saying that you're not a Jamaican. And we know you're Jamaican.
I'm in the household. You know, our household is really deep. You know, like mom and dad and everything. Really hard
Yeah.
household. So I mean, we just born on English turf, you could say.
Yeah, you were born here. You grew up here in your life.
Yes.
You went to school and everything. Yeah.
Yeah, and then I started touring with my dad from young.
Okay.
So from there, I started to get experience on stage. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, you think to Europe, like France and Sweden and Denmark and places. I started learning how to sing on stage.
Yeah.
But I wasn't writing those songs though. You understand? My dad started getting frustrated with me and get mad with me. Because I'm singing Alton Ellis, like say, Friday we're in Sweden. I do a show, I'm singing Alton Ellis, like, I'm still in love. Then I go breaking up, when you turn and whatnot, them two tunes, and then I come off stage and every show I was doing that, singing 2 or 3 songs.
Yeah.
Till I start getting used to that. Understand?
You get lazy.
Yeah, and I wasn't pre in the writing thing. Understand? Because I was, from young, I was doing that with him.
Yeah.
It's when he passed away now.
You starting to pen to paper.
No, not then really still. I went to Jamaica to try and pursue music. I was on shows like Rebel Salute and that.
Yeah.
And then Stephen Marley sent a man to come and bring me to him.
Is it?
Yeah, and then Stephen Marley said, yo, I see you on the show here, you're bad. And he said, yo, sing something for me. And I sang a little thing for him. He said, yo, you're bad. And the next day, me and him made a song in End of Time.
Yeah.
Look till the end of time. Yeah, I made that the next day after meeting Stephen Marley.
Are you involved in that song?
Yeah, that song is my song featuring Stephen Marley and Jack Yor.
Is it?
Yeah. You don't know that, man?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, man. But she was 2 big giants on the song.
Yeah,
You understand? That's my first song. That's my first song
No, but to be
to
honest,
the public.
that song is a real big song.
It's a big song, and understand? Even this, the song was finished in the studio. It was me featuring Stephen Marley.
Yeah.
Jack Yor walked in when it was finished, and when he heard it, he said, "No, man, I feel up on this."
Is it?
Yeah, bro. And that's how in the end you hear me say, "Listen, Jack Yor." Then he comes in at the end. This is what I told.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It makes sense though, because all through the record you were mostly hearing Stephen Marley and you hear your voice, as I said. But I thought it was your voice sounds so much as your dad, so I'm thinking that it was your dad.
No, man.
Because it's probably, I think it was some lost files they probably pick up and say, right?
No, bro. It's me,
Yeah.
man. But it was nice. Like the first song, boom, Synagogue Road, and that song. I told him that song alone, bro.
Is it?
Yeah, and that song made Stephen Marley sign me to his record label.
So you signed with Stephen Marley right now?
Yeah, and they got a record label called
Okay.
Ghetto Youth International.
Yeah, I know.
It's run by Damon Marley and Stephen Marley in Miami.
But that's a big look though.
Yeah, it's nice, bro. And from that, so many things happened since my dad passed away.
Yeah.
Then I start touring the whole of the US. I've been to every state in the US and I wrote touring, so my eyes open up to certain things and seeing things. Understand, and experiences and everything get crazy.
What was some of the best moments you can remember touring with your dad as a youngster going on these big festivals and these big tours? What stood out most for you?
Bro, you know what? I was in love with the stage, yeah, and he used to always. I was learning those times without even realizing. Understand? I was just singing songs in my head, but he was showing me, say, yo, this and that, and I was learning. But my dad, he was a comedian, so it's the offstage things I liked.
Yeah.
That people don't know about. You understand? They just know him for being a great singer and everything. But the man was full of joke.
Yeah.
You understand? As a father, you know.
You felt good. You felt good being the guy. That's my dad doing that.
No, and everything was just great, bro, and all the experiences were great, and it's just overwhelming to know. So yeah, I step up now and do nothing.
But how do you manage now living in the UK? Because you say you're doing your music is more generally like say reggae music, right?
Yeah.
How do you find it? Is it any obstacles in your way doing music from UK? Because your music mostly connected with, as you say, the Jamaican diaspora and the European diaspora, yes, but not in England. As I wouldn't say England accept reggae music as the rest of the world does.
No way, but the thing is, there's a good market here because you have like there's a pool of us right now.
Yeah.
You have like Gapperance.
Yeah.
You have Randy Valentine.
Wicked artists.
Yeah. You have Bitty McLean.
Wicked artists.
Understand? And that whole pool is growing. Understand? So, and see like how no one's really doing these kind of songs in like my kind of age group.
Yeah.
So it's like we've got the whole thing. Me and Bitty and Gappy have the whole thing just there to go. Understand? Everyone wants to rap and everyone's doing the other thing.
Yeah.
Understand? So they don't expect a youngster like me to be doing these things. So it's great, bro. It's great, and we're always in touring in like Europe.
Yeah. Because we know Europe accepts.
Europe love the thing more than our.
Yeah.
You see, it's our thing.
We just like say yeah.
It's like yeah, whatever. But you see, it's not their thing. It's like they learn it and everything. Bro, they love the music. When I'm in Europe on tour, and like me and Taurus and Gappy on a show, you look at the crowd, there's no black people, bro.
That's
not
true.
one.
True.
Bare white people, they get me, and they love the music. I love the culture and everything. Understand? So
it's funny you saying this. In recent years, people have been talking about the culture being stolen by different mainstream artists and doing. You've been out there, you've seen what's happening.
Yeah.
How do you think that this can change, or what do you think that needs to be done?
Well, the first thing is you can't deny that the man takes some of the flavor. Understand? For real, dancehall especially, it takes some of the flavor and thing. But it's all good because to me, I kind of see it as I don't see it as like a stolen thing. I want to see it as like an evolving thing. Understand? Because the music has to evolve. Otherwise, we're stagnant.
You're gonna be
Understand? So it's all good that okay, we have that sound now and that sound now. But the only thing is they don't give glory back to the
where it's coming from.
Yeah. That's the only thing.
But if they do that, then it's gonna expose that they're not as creative as we thought they were. So maybe that's why you wouldn't necessarily give the credit to where it's coming from.
I know what you mean.
Then you end up giving away your secrets. So
and even like you said, like how the Afrobeats thing's taken off now, like crazy mainstream.
Yeah.
The other day I was saying to someone, why couldn't dancehall do that in the UK? Take off like that in the same way.
You know what? This is my take on it. Why Afrobeats is climbing, and I'm very happy that it's climbing. Don't get me wrong, but I think the Afrobeats artists, they market themselves better than the dancehall artists, and they're packaged better to me than most of the dancehall. Not every one of them. There's some dancehall artists that market properly and does the right work, but say 70% of the Afrobeats artists do more than the dancer in terms of the social media size. If you look at we can just do a random check on any one of the top dancer artists in Jamaica. Say maybe they're not the top 10, but maybe the lower tier who should be coming through next. If you look at their Instagram page, it doesn't look professional.
I know what you mean, Steve.
If you go on any Afrobeats artist, you can check everything about them. Everything is uniform. You can see if you try to contact them to get business done, it's easy to get done.
Yeah, but the marketing side is on point.
Yeah.
On that side,
But our side now, something is lacking.
It is. We just make good songs and think, yes, that's it. A big song in the studio. Yo, this gone. But it needs an engine behind that song.
Yeah.
Understand?
That is a problem.
Yeah, with the format and everything. So I think that's what it is still.
Yeah. 2018. What's good for 2018?
So here it is now. My first album's coming out.
Yeah.
My debut album, produced by Stephen Marley and Junior Gunn. It's coming out in the summer.
Is it almost done?
I just came up from Miami.
Yeah.
So it's all the voicing is finished.
Okay.
So now it has to be mixed and mastered, and it's
Have you had a number here for the amount of tracks? Or
12.
12 tracks.
Yeah, yeah. You want to go too much songs, just 12 bad songs. 12 where they can soak in. You understand?
If it's gonna be anything as I said, your first body of work is always gonna be compared to your dad's work.
Yeah.
And people gonna be like hold it up against one of your dad's best because they're gonna critique you. And
Yeah,
it's
that's
coming,
right.
you know.
But the thing is, I feel like I passed that stage already with the song I have already where I'm saying, okay, yeah man, this you. He's got a thing, you understand it? Away from his father's thing, and he can write songs.
Yeah.
You understand? So, but like you said, this is my first album, which is like official album out now. And there's some surprises on there. It's not, you know, it's not what they expect.
It's not what they expect.
Yeah.
I'm definitely looking forward to see that, and I hope to everyone that's going to consume it get what you intend to dish out for them,
Yeah,
or what
man.
you expect.
Yeah, man. And I'll come back and push the thing as well.
Definitely.
And yo, I want to say quickly, I got my show in the Jazz Cafe.
Yep.
Next month, 25th of February.
25th of February.
Yeah, in the Jazz Cafe. It's my fourth time in there now. I've been in there 3 times and it's been great. 3 times. I sold it out 3 times, so
that's
you know,
wicked.
pushing it again. You understand?
Wicked.
So yeah, Jazz Cafe, Camden, 25th of February. Christopher Ellis live band, everything.
Yeah, Christopher Ellis is here.
And some surprise guests as well. Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. But normally when everybody comes to the set, we normally have them to do some form of cameo or something. Because that's how it is. Because we can't just have you in the show and say, oh, you're an artist. Even though you have your social media pages out there, show that you do what you do. But you're live in the studio. There's a microphone. There's a beat here. Can you just give us a quick freestyle? Is that all right?
Yeah, drop something now.
Okay, let's go.
All right. What do you want? You want me to go your genre or you want me to flip it up a bit?
Brother, yeah, the
I
DJ.
just want to drop up some time. Just flip
Alright.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go something random, something off key that he's not expecting, all right?
Yeah.
So,
Oh my gosh, yes. Flames Radio, Mr. Ellis, yeah. I gotta wait till it drops. Girl, the beat don't flop for real, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Look, from the first they've been feeling my style. They're feeling my mood, feeling my vibe. Yo, you drop already? Sure. From the first they've been feeling my style. They're feeling my mood, they're feeling my vibe. Some people say it's set for me. Cause it's not hard when you're reggae royalty. Yeah. Flames Radio. Oh, no. The loving it is. Look, I sing big tunes all the time. For the elders and the youngsters inside. You hear what I am saying. Look, Gong said get prepared now. But don't you make your head sway now. What a perfect place for me. With some faith you will reach your destiny. Flames Radio, Mr. Ellis in session. Oh, yeah. So I say here we are once again, yeah. Playing big songs till the end, yes. Our style is nice, we bring the vibe. I said when Ricky I play, the songs are amazing. The hype and the fame won't change it. So I said, Flames Radio, respect Christopher Ellis. Yes.
Wicked people. That was Alton Ellis' son, Christopher Ellis right here. You know what? We like the vibe. We like the because you can tell that the voice is there. That's the number one thing. The voice is definitely there. He sound so. It's almost as if it was a record that you pre-rehearsed.
Oh, sing.
Yeah.
Just try some little thing, you know. Years ago, singers still say don't know, bro.
The music we can find on iTunes, right?
Yeah, iTunes, Spotify, I don't know the streaming things in right now. Just type Christopher Ellis and everything, and yeah, we got some big things coming this year. Some tour coming up as well.
Yeah.
In the middle of the year. Understand?
So Instagram, Facebook is all Christopher Ellis.
Christopher Ellis.
Can you spell it out for me? Is it C?
Oh yeah.
Instagram.
No. Listen. Here it is. Christopher Ellis was too long, yeah.
Yeah.
When I was making my Instagram and everything, so I put Ellis Music Child just for a time, but then it stuck.
So you can't change it.
So now, no, you can change it, but people kind of just know that it's Ellis Music. You know what? If you put my name in the search though, it will show you
You
straight
show
to
up,
me.
yeah.
Yeah.
So type in Christopher Ellis
Yeah.
in the search.
Yeah, and it'll show you me. I got blue tick as well. You don't know.
Certified.
Listen.
Certified.
Certified.
Yeah, bro. So,
Thank you very
Yeah.
much for passing through the Upper
Bro.
Live show, and it was a pleasure. And definitely when
Respect.
things any new material, make sure we get them and we
For
can
sure.
play them right here, right?
for sure, man.
That's
Sure,
right.
yeah.
That's right, people. That
Yes,
was
yes,
Christopher Ellis right here on the Upper Live show.
Respect.
Remember, like, subscribe, log on to the World Mag page, www.worldmag.com. Like, subscribe, and share, people. Keep it locked. Don't move.